Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and I want to show you the VanTred floor from BedRug installed in our RAM ProMaster. This is a 159-inch wheelbase, the regular model, not the extended model. And as you can see, this is a die-cut rubber style floor that fits the exact contour of the floor here in the back of the van. Now this has a rubber style surface on top and then a foam backing on the bottom. And in the RAM ProMaster, it is ribbed so that it fills in the little ribbing on the ProMaster, so you're not getting any of that uneven flooring that you get from some of those other flexible floors. Installation of this product is super simple. You just simply take it out of the box and roll it into place and you're good to go. This is a chemical resistant floor. It can hold up to gasoline and oil and bleach and other chemicals, and it's also 100% waterproof. It's a one-piece design from front to back and nothing's gonna seep through any cracks. It also does have some scored locations where you can pop the factory D-rings through those holes if you need to tie down any cargo or anything like that. Now it is a nice mixture of kind of that solid floor with a little bit of cushion feeling to it. So if you're spending a lot of time in the back of the van, maybe this is your workspace or you need to come in and out of the van, your feet almost get a little bit of that cushion from the foam backing on the bottom of this floor. The surface of this floor does have a little bit of a texture to it, so it's gonna help if you have those wet boots or anything like that. It's gonna be a non-slip surface. The VanTred obviously protects the floor and gives you a good surface to walk on, but it also does have some insulation qualities. It's gonna help cut down on road noise, as well as give you some temperature control on the floor. Now this is an application specific product, so you want to make sure that you're buying this for the correct van, including the correct wheelbase. This product is made in the USA by BedRug and does come with a limited lifetime warranty. Now if you're looking for this floor or any other equipment to upfit your van to make it work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.